Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first ever video that I have done. I would like to introduce myself. You can call me Tess. Some people have even called me Tessie B in the past, but that is up to you. I just wanted to come on here to say that I'm interested in starting a YouTube channel. Some things I would like to do in this channel maybe are like mukbangs once in a while. I don't know what I did there. um, Once in a while. I don't want to become a mukbang channel purely. That's a lot of food. I would also like to do shopping hauls, trending challenges, I guess you could say. Um, Trending challenges, I think I just said that. What else? Talk about myself. Maybe talk about my animals. Oh, there's Lily. That's my kitten. She is very rambunctious and crazy. Some goals that I have for the future. I would like to be able to make some extra money that I can maybe help people with. For example, like the Humane Society or the food bank or helping homeless people. And one form or another could be, paying for adoption fees for animals at the Humane Society, or maybe I could get food from the grocery store and put it in the food bank for people who are less fortunate who need food. And then maybe I could expand on that some more once if I decide to continue doing YouTube videos or not. I would like to do vlogs. If I go out and do something interesting, I would love to take you guys with me. I guess I could introduce you guys to my pets. I've got 4 pets. Crazy pets. Alright, first off, I guess you saw Lily. You saw the back of her head. If I can get a picture of her face, I will show you guys. But first off, this is Cleo. Hi, kitty. She is my cuddle bug. We cuddle all the time. Same spot on the couch. And it's every day. Never ending. Alright, my second pet I'm going to show you is Odin. He's my dog. Hey, buddy. Oh, hi. Hey, mister. He's my doggy. Oh, yeah, he's my companion. I love him. He's a sweetie, too. My other cat, Niagara. Hey, kitty. She's my little sucky. I can carry her around like a little baby if I want to. She puts up with it. Oops. I'm gonna get a really good picture there at the end. And last of all, Lily is my kitten. Maybe we can actually get a picture of her face. Oh, there she is. Hey, Lily. Hi, babies. And that's our new addition, Lily, our kitten. She's rambunctious and spunky and full of adventure and energy. Yes. Definitely a different cat for our our herd of animals here. Most of our animals are pretty chill. They don't have a lot of Odin has Spunk, but he's getting older too, so he's not as crazy as she is, that's for sure. What else? Oh, I guess I can show you guys videos of I don't know if you would be really interested in it, but I do sewing. I know, riveting stuff. But if any of you are interested in some projects that I do, I could always show those too. I'm interested in gardening, so I could show you guys my plants if you're interested in that. What else? Cooking. I do enjoy cooking. Maybe I can do a cooking video, throw it in there. Maybe you guys would like to see that. That's about it. I would love to be able to, I guess I've already said this, but help animals, maybe help people, donate to food banks and stuff like that. I have thought about this for a while, but I have always been too chicken to make a video and post it anywhere. I think lots of people are afraid of the hate, which, you know, everyone's gonna get no matter what. But that's kind of the reason why I haven't done this sooner or said anything about it. I have watched other YouTubers that put themselves out there, and they're doing well. It kind of just made me want to do it too. Maybe I can do this. Maybe I can make some sort of little nook in the internet community, and maybe I could make something out of this someday. Maybe I can become somebody someday. I keep looking down instead of at the camera. I'm sorry. I'm just not used to videoing myself at all. I think it just kind of looks weird to stare at the camera rather than at the screen. I don't know. Maybe it's because of FaceTime. You know, you stare at the... Anyways, it's not FaceTime, but anyways. Yeah. Again, my name is Tess. I don't have a lot going on. I'm an animal lover. Love to cook. I love the garden. And I love to be able to help people and help animals. Maybe I can bring some interesting content to you guys. My kitten's starting to get rambunctious with the other cats, so it's a pretty good sign. I'm gonna have to play with her pretty soon to get some of that energy out of her, so she can be a civil kitty to the other kitties. So, as soon as I'm done this, I'm gonna be doing that. It's not gonna be anything exciting, so I won't show you guys. I just play with the little cat toy with her. And oh, other videos. I don't know if I said shopping hauls, random shopping hauls, clothes, maybe makeup, maybe accessories, maybe pet stuff, any kind of shopping haul that I do. I would love to show with you guys too. I'm coming at you in my bedroom attire. This is kind of like how I roll. I'm a little bit of a messy person. I like to keep it real. I'm not... Although there's sometimes I do like to, you know, jazz up my look a little bit. Maybe look a little extra, but definitely majority of the time I look like this. Pretty normal, pretty standard. If there's anything that any of you guys are interested in about me, for sure I'll tell you. I'll do a video. I'll fill you guys in. And maybe, I don't know why I said maybe, but I might, if any of you are interested, I could start other social medias with this, with my YouTube title name, like Instagram or Facebook or Twitter or something like that. Although I'm going to be pretty honest, I don't usually use Twitter. I think it's because I don't really understand it. I don't really know how it works. But I do use Facebook a lot. I do kind of enjoy Facebook with its with the way it's set up and how it works. I do like Instagram, although it's very far in between where I actually post pictures. Kind of I don't ever look glitzy or glammy or, enough to be on Insta looking like, I don't know, $1 million or something. So, yeah. So I hope all of you enjoyed my video, and if you have any requests or anything you would like to know about me, please let me know in the comments. I am thankful for every one of you that will like to follow me on my journey. Since this is my very first YouTube video, there really isn't anything to follow, but if you're interested and want to follow me from now on, I would be very grateful. So thank you everyone for watching this video of me, and I would love to get to know you all. So I'll talk to you later, alright? Bye bye.